Do you want to know how to convert image to PDF on iPhone? Well, then you have come to the right video because I'm going to show you exactly how to fix this. But make sure that you watch this video until the very end so you don't make any mistake in this process. The first thing is you need to go to your Photos app and find the images you want to convert to PDF. For example, I want this image to convert to PDF, and if I select one, I can do it with one, or else I can do multiple selection and convert them all at once into PDF. Now after selecting the images, click on the share icon over here and scroll down and click on print. So once you click print, it's going to show you this print menu. We don't want to print it, but what we have to do now is to press the share button again, and this time you're going to go ahead and click on save to files, and then it's going to ask you, this is your iCloud folder. It's going to ask you where you want to save it. So I'm choosing my download here, so I am selecting the folder where I want to save it. I'm going to press save right over here. Now in order to find it, just go to your file app and here this folders. So this is the PDF I just created. You can always press and hold just to make sure it is in PDF file format. Let us get info, and you should see PDF documents, not image or JPEG over here. We hope you enjoyed our video. If you found it useful, please show your support by hitting the like button and subscribing to our channel. If you have any questions or comments about the topic we covered today, we'd love to hear from you in the comment section below. Thank you for watching, and we hope you have a fantastic day.